This video is part 2 of the December 62 Cards magazine. Starting off with introducing the Avanti sports card performance at no sacrifice in luxury. Studebaker knocked it out of the park with the Avanti. Unfortunately, they were down too many runs for it to matter. All your numbers with and without a supercharger. Texas State Top Eliminator at AHRA Nationals. Drag racing fun. Studebaker's our fastest leak. There's your rolled in top so you could haul your refrigerator in your Studebaker wagon. 63 Ramblers combine fine styling and engineering. Let's see. Yep, it is a 56. Flathead powered flyer. Not a lot of cool ads in this one. A lot of cool photos. I love me a 60. 59. Excuse me. The 59 Devon. The fiberglass body is made to look like an ace. Got a lot of engine poking up there. Nifty 98. I love the way that sits. It's actually a sharp looking car. Out of this world prices. I think this one's just going to get 2. Oh, nice. Yeah, muscle. And the back pages are stuck together. That sucks.